papapirma lang muna ako. In fact, if you check out the back of his shirt, he's got a couple of signatures on the back right now. It was very light, it was very fun, the mood around in the dugout. In fact, Benji Paras and Coach Ronnie, lumabas sila, pumasok sila sa dugout ng red team in order to meet the stars on the red team. Ronald Tubit, in fact, traded his bag for Mitch Richmond's jersey. Miko and Ganito?
Pati ba yung mga laman ng bag, exchange din sila? Parang lugi ata. Baka lugi. Glenn Rice for 3.
And inintay pa ni Glenn Rice na dumating yung depensa, no? Bago siya sumut.
Kailangan may asintahan.
But he missed. There's an offensive rebound. I tell you, the Reds playing more serious here than the Whites, and that's the reason why they're putting up the points.
Here's Weber. Cross court. Richmond from the corner. And here's Payton. Over to McCray.
And he's not looking to score.
Did not pull the trigger that time. McCray makes his move, and Arwin Santos will score. Arwin Santos with 6 points. And Ontiveros fires away.
That's a 3-point shot.
So score natin 24-16 in favor of the red team.
Ano kaya, tatawag ng timeout ang white team para pag-usapan kung ano dapat nilang gawin. They're not recovering on defense. And here's another shot from the outside.
Well, Gary Payton is still very much a talker.
I wonder if he'll get a technical foul in this one. He already has. He's in the record books in the end. Number 1 is Jerry Sloan, and number 2, of course, is Rashid Wallace, who we all know.
There's Gary Payton, best remembered for lobbing those or making those lob passes for Sean Kemp when they were together for the Seattle Supersonics. As Fram connects.
Nice offensive rebound and a putback. You know, Gary Payton, we were talking about his days in the NBA, and he says, oh, look at that. Nice tap away by Captain Patrimonio. We'll tell you about what Gary Payton said when we come back. Back in a moment.
You buy Smart Buddy. Let's play.
And we're about to resume action here in the opening quarter. Here's our KFC assist delivery of the quarter. Enjoy watching 2010 NBA Asia Challenge with finger-licking food. Dial 887-8888 now. We've got two gentlemen on the floor.
And there's an outside shot.
Oh, the youngest player from both teams is on the floor. A guy by the name of Fortunato Atoyco.
That's right, he's 58 years old. And talking about age, what about Chris Webber? He's the youngest.
Atoyco fires!
Doesn't get it. But Chris Webber is 37 years old, so he's the youngest among the NBA veterans on the floor. Nice pass to the man outside. Nice rhythm shot. Mitch Richmond still has it. He's a two-time Olympian. Remember, he was in 1996. He played on the U.S. gold medal team with Gary Payton. It's Atoyco missing from point-blank range.
He was bludgeoned by Benji Paras.
Atoyco looking. Nasaan yung ring? Nasaan ring? Hindi ko nakita.
The aerial voyager Verhel Meneses also part of this game as Atoy fires.
Still nothing.
Payton to Verhel. And Meneses will miss. Paras with the rebound. Over to Tyndale. Yan po. Si Mark Tyndale, number 18. And Weber will score as we send you over to Patricia Bermudez-Hizo.
For Verhel Meneses and Atoyco, they last played here at the Big Dome 5 years ago. For Atoy, it was during the CRISPR reunion and the Toyota reunion, so they're excited to be back. Now Verhel just relishes the fact that he'll be with Gary Payton, and who he still believes is the best defender of Michael Jordan in his prime. Now for Atoy, for his part, he's still doing a lot of his signature moves, and he showed it in practice. His up fakes, his fadeaways, and he is the only guy in his generation that can still really play, according to Coach Tim Coe. Now he says he's got a lot of secret practices, but really he still plays twice a week. At what, 58, 59 years young, Kinito?
That's right, 58 years old. Nice stretch there.
Wait a minute, did Patricio just say that Atoy is the only guy in his generation who can still play? If Senator Jaworski is listening, I think that's a challenge. I think that's a challenge.
And he hasn't retired from the PBA.
No, he has not.
Not officially.
There's no document that shows that.
By the way, the white team now ahead in this game.
As
is
Paras
Benji Paras. Oh,
fires.
yes. And you see the white team tightening up a little bit. I think they might have gotten a tongue lashing from Shot Hawkinson. If not him, maybe Alton Lister. Oh, yes. Outside shot from Chris McRae. Now, this guy's a player. We told you. Out of the D-Leaguers here in Manila, 2 of them played in the NBA. One of them, Chris McRae. The other one, Richie From.
So it's 37-32 in favor of the white team. 2 minutes to go in the opening quarter. Now we'll take this timeout.